rang ba ka jalau ko rat sangma ni ka sngi ula ple paj ba yo mau nong rim ban tei pan bha bat ban penitnat ya ka yodu ya ka ni jing penitnat ya ka yodu lamang pisa sanklur ha ka face 1 bat khat lai point khandai pusau klur ha ka face ka ba ar lang ba ka North Eastern Council kat ba ka face ka balai kadang ya ka jingmang pisa na ka benta ka ni ka yo ha ka ni ka sngi lai don lang ru sembut menteri rang ba ka jalau ba Preston Tensong ba snia balang dhar u MLA ka South Shillong ba Sanbor Sulai ka menteri bidai pet ya ka tenat ka koi ka khia ka kong amperin langdo u CM barim ka HDC ba peniat sing sim usim ka hima melim upa im ainam manik sim kumjuru ki menteri jong ka hima melim ka deputy commissioner bat ki wei ki officer sarkar
Palabating ka ada ka North Eastern Council. Hagati ka porong ni ka Sarkar Meghalaya, iba Sanbor Sulai, and the MLA Laban constituency, but iba Ainam Manik same ka hima malim, but kibai da. Meghalaya in collaboration with Shillong Municipal Board, Government of Meghalaya. So right now the felicitation is going on for all the guests. Kajing pedang burung the why, but
Move on.
Hello, Pilini.
Press. Mau apa dia ada kue? Ya.
For the improvement, renovation and development of the Yogo Masjid. At present, the first phase is that the lane pavement with the Sora stone is ongoing work, and the second phase is that the Shillong Municipal Board will take up the work. Whatever remaining in these two phases, we will take up in the third phases. So this we are also start preparing. At present, this pavement of the lanes is phase 1 is only 4.6 kilometers, but actually as for this comprehensive master plan is 5.2. Whatever remaining,
right? In the state government.
And also sir, in this phase 3, sir. So we do this improvement of the facades of each and every store, sir. Then wherever those in this lanes where the hawkers are sitting, sir, then we'll have a canopy so that it will protect the hawkers from the rains and from the sun, sir. And then also all these cables, power and then telecom cables, wherever possible, will go in a third phase inside. It's not possible, then we'll keep a kind of the tray at the elevated position, sir. Then we'll keep in that tray which looks like a channel, sir.
My request, if you could just to the press. If the press is there, please come this side. I think with this background, if we can, Hasi, he can just explain exactly what he just told. So what this
Prinsip master plan pernah kebentak development, ke renovation bagi improvement juga Yogo market. At mentang ladan ke phase 1 ke pengasdang ni begin lagi ni payment ni seorang stone ke jumpai ke lanang ya. Kepaat minta ke di nak kebentak di bandi kini utility docs kita bentuk of the municipal board ke phase 2. Bar phase 3 bagi besar nak ni ka phase 1 dan phase 2 take up phase 3. Kabah pengilai phase 3 kalau kini ki stall berkait nilai improvement nilai fasad improvement anda kini kabel ki badan jong power ne jong telecoms balong bandung sepong do sepong hendak bamlong ngin buat dak kerja kan play ada elevated position ni kinyan nak tu anda ini jaga syong ki hogas billion syong hogas mentak long open dan ibu kanopi na jong kanang ban cover iki hak poslap ak posiet akan protect iki nak slap nak siat kan tidak Angka di mana mentak phase 3 ngidang prevent plan phase 3. Phase 1, phase 2 lah ada sanction. Kajong phase 1 sanction ke 5.80 crore. The phase 2 is 13.94 crore. And the phase 3 bade ka DPR is still in progress.
roughly about 20 plus. Yes. 25 crores.
Total kalau about more than 50 crores.
Almost 50. Touching 50 crores.
Just 50 crores.
Okay. So I think we can go. Yeah.